Hi all, I'm Vaibhav. I'm really excited to do this demo for HouseSkape, which is an app which I built for students at SMIT to be able to find rental properties. And it also allows property owners to post their listings. So let's get started. So usually these kind of platforms, they have two kind of user roles like we discussed. So one user role allows you to view listings and the other allows you to post those listings. But for our use case, I've unified both of them into one. Now, if you're a first time user, you'll go to register and you'll fill in your details. When you click on register, your data will be logged into our backend, and then you'll be able to use your email and password when you're acting as a returning user. So there's another option to sign in using Google. I've already created my account and linked it to this app, so I'll just use that method. Yeah. So what you see right now is the home screen. We have the listings here posted by the property owners. So before diving into the property details screen, I want to talk about the navigation bar that we have on the bottom. So here are a few functionalities. So first is the saved properties screen. If you like a property and you want to bookmark it for later on, you can do that and you'll find those properties on this screen. Then you have the chat screen where you'll be able to find your chats with property owners. And then you have the profile screen. The profile screen, it has a lot of static data right now. There's only a few working functionalities. I'll get back to the working functionalities in a while. So let's go to this property, and what you see here is an image. There's a few details about the property, and then when you press this button, you'll start a chat with this particular property owner. Then you can see the location. I've also integrated maps using Mapbox APIs. When you click onto this, it'll open the map view. More on map view later on. And then there's a final description about the property. So first I'll show you how the save functionality works. Now you see I've pressed on the save button. So you'll be able to see it on your saved screen. If you go to the property from here and you press on this, you see it was deleted from the saved list. So now I'd like to jump to the chat functionality. Say I open up the chat. So I've sent him a message. Let's see if he replies. So Mir has sent us a message saying that it's still available. So there is a fully working real-time chat feature that you can use to chat with property owners. And next, I'd like to show you how we can add a property. So this is the button which you're supposed to click on. This field right here is an autocomplete address field. So let's type out an address near my college. So what this does is it'll grab the address and the coordinates from Google Places API. And then when you've posted the property, it'll also put a marker on this exact location based on the latitude and longitude on the map box. So I'll just put a title. And then I can also use the add photo feature to get photos from my photo album. You can see a property has been listed. We can see our properties inside of our listing. So this is the one we posted, family villa in Tadong. And you should also find, so you can also see it with the other listings here. So this is how you can create a posting, and then we can also delete it from here. So it was also deleted from the entire list. Now, the next feature and the final feature is the map view. which is my favorite one. So the top bar that you see here, it allows you to select between different cities around my college campus, and then there's a button for filters. And this carousel right here will allow you to navigate between different properties. And this one is number of properties that you see in the camera view currently. So this is how the carousel works. You can go slide through different properties, and this is what happens when you select a particular like city. So these are the cities we have listed in Gantok. Let's try filtering it down using a filter. So minimum bedrooms is equal to 2. So yeah, you can see it has given us 2 properties with 5 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms. So these were the features, and you have another feature to change your profile picture. And then finally we have like a logout button. Thank you. That was all.